Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your iPhone and iOS are up to date so the available resolution options match. This matters for formats and frame rates. Once confirmed, open Settings, tap Camera, and go to Formats and Record Video. You do this now because resolutions are set at the system level, not inside the camera app. Make sure storage is adequate because higher resolutions use more space. Next, change the specific resolution and frame rate. Tap Record Video and pick 4K 60 FPS for maximum detail or 1080p 30 FPS to save space. You choose based on final use. Then return to Formats and toggle Pro RAW or HEIF so photos match your workflow. Once done, open the camera app and verify the on-screen labels, HD/4K and frame numbers, so your settings apply in real time. This prevents surprise. Finally, confirm the change by recording a short clip and reviewing it in Photos to check resolution and frame rate metadata. This proves the switch worked. If you see errors, free up storage or force close camera and try again. Often that clears transient issues. Make sure to restart the phone before resetting settings. If nothing fixes it, use Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset to restore camera defaults. This resolves stubborn configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.